Hello everyone, my name is Jeannide and I'm about to follow a Jackie Aina tutorial because we both got these pink robes and we both got this City Curl Girls wig, okay? So, and also that tutorial was posted on my birthday, so it was made for me. Like, everybody else is doing Jackie Aina. I was about to do an Aaliyah Jay one, but I'm like, yo, this one's really perfect for me. We got almost the same pink robe. We got the same wig pretty much, same wig brand. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial, this video, okay? Hopefully I don't fuck up. I don't think I will. I don't know, but we'll see. Jackie. Who's Susan? Oh, I ain't got no hoodie though. This is gonna be weird though. She's gonna be doing foundation first. To be honest, I'm gonna skip this part. I washed my face this morning with some Dove cucumber soap, scented soap. Usually I do like the plain one, but the plain one wasn't available where I was, so I just took the cucumber one. And I put shea butter on my face, so that's all the skincare we can do today. She just washed her face. She didn't show herself wearing primer, but I'm sure she has primer on. And I'm gonna put my little Smashbox Photo Studio primer on real quick.
I'm gonna use something full spackle coverage. This is the Jeannide Vision Cream Cover.
Let me tell you something. I don't even got a full coverage foundation yet. Give me like a day or two. I'm going to be using my handy dandy infallible L'Oreal foundation. Yes, I'm trying to use this foundation up to the last drop. Oh, she does use as a brush. I never use brushes for foundation. She uses like a paintbrush first and buff it all out. Oh wait, what the fuck? Hold on, hold the fuck up. Now I have the Radiant Creamy Concealer, but I do not have the my contour shade. I'm also using Classic Tan in this. I'm going to be using a BH Cosmetics flat top buffing brush. I think that's what it's called. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, let me see how she does this, cause oh man.
As it gets, I'm starting off with about 1.5 pumps. And
what?
I think I'll be Gucci with just that. The product spreads out really nicely. You don't
okay.
Need a whole bunch.
First of all, holding it wrong.
It's like a pure pigment. It is a pretty yellow golden formula, but it will adjust as I finish out my makeup routine. This is not my final form. I'm going to contour using the
okay, so she's like buffing it into her skin, which makes sense because it's the buffing brush. What was I doing? She didn't even color correct. I'm like, yo, I need to color correct. I need to color correct. Ooh, girl. Honestly, I feel like this wig about to slide off. I'm gonna curl them. Whatever. Wait, are her eyebrows already done? No. Yes. No. JK, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer for the contour because I don't have like a NARS concealer in for the contour. I only have it for the highlight, so I'll be using that for the highlight later, but I'll be using this first. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa. Who's baby crying like that? What? She did this. She did this. She doing this.
Under my eyes, I'm gonna double conceal first using the color.
Oh, she double concealing. Hold on.
Filter concealer in the color Deep Golden, and then I'm gonna take NYX's HD concealer in the color Nutmeg and kind of moisturize it up. ColourPop's concealers. Okay, so I'm gonna use two concealers.
I don't know if one is like more matte than the other. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna be using my Radiant Creamy Concealer in Biscuit by NARS, and I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in, I don't remember what it is. I think it's medium beige. Ooh, that's crazy. Actually, I have been just using NARS because I can't. Why can't I find the other? I lost my concealer. Like honestly, I lost it.
It's a little on the dry matte side. I'm adding some width to my face.
So how's she do? How's she doing? So she doing 3 lines. I don't even do lines. Wait, she didn't even do it like with her nose. She, ooh, okay. I got low on my nose. It was by mistake. Like, that ass, it was by mistake. She did it like this, okay? Yes. What else did she do?
Really kind of going outward
okay.
with those concealer highlights.
Okay.
Then I like to blend my contour out first with a brush, and then I booty blend the concealer and everything up later after that. I just like using a brush first. Do you hear my neighbors?
She used the same brush. Okay, so we're blending upwards, right? Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, I didn't even do this.
Those concealer highlights there. Then I like to blend my contour out first with a brush, and then I booty blend the concealer and everything up later after.
Okay, so I know that she blends up though. Yeah, I really got like the contour and highlight put together up here. Cause she did that, but I did it too much outward, I guess. I have to remember to blend this contour up. Blend it 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 up. Buff it with the foundation. Why is it not blending? Should I wet it? Like, what the fuck? It's not blending. Around, get a pimple on your face. Okay. See, it's like streaky. It's not even. What? I'm going to be using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Shit. Okay, so blend it up to my lid. I gotta keep her because this girl goes fast as fuck. She really goes fast.
Middle of the face. I usually just take my beauty sponge and blot, and then go right in.
Deep blot. Hold on. So we're going to be using Airspun's Coty or whatever. Well, Coty's Airspun. Okay. She said hers is like an off beige. I think this is like an off beige too, right? Deep and blot, whatever. Is she pressing into her skin or what? Like, is she tapping excess?
You don't want to add too much powder though, because you don't want it to get stuck. Soft. Get the clown face. Get them smile lines. We rebuked them in 2018. You know, that just keeps the makeup from settling inside those smile lines. Because, you know, life is good. And some of us just be smiling a lot more than the average person.
I never do the smile lines, so that's new.
I smile, I laugh, I cry, you know, I talk crap. This is where the most movement is, so it just, things just break up real fast around here, you know. I'm just putting a little bit of extra, but I'm not pushing it into my skin, because I want some shadow catcher for later. Then I go to my brow, the Anastasia brow pencil in dark.
I assumed she was gonna just push it into her skin. Cause she always pushes it into his, oh, I guess the excess she's not pushing into her skin. Whatever. Fuck it.
Brown, that to me hasn't really changed, like ever, so I figured.
I probably put too much. She didn't even show how to do her brows, so I'm gonna try to do my brows how I usually be doing them. Some places are not blended. This is not blended, and I already said it. I use too much powder underneath too, and it's like, yo. Anywho, we're gonna continue because I'm done. I'm confused. Like, she didn't even set the contour with any contour powder, so I don't know what she's gonna do about that. So this plummy ass color. Let me see if I got this color anywhere. Honestly, I'm gonna use this color. I don't know what it looks like on camera, but usually when I wear it, it like has like a little purple undertone, I guess. Like it's plummy, like it's purple and brown mixed together. Isn't that like plum? So I think this should be fine. So what kind of brush you using? Looks a little tapered. Hold on, girl. Hold on. Oh, this is a good color, I think. I think it looks... Oh, wow. So, yeah, I think this is a good color. So, she's building up the intensity of this shadow pretty much. And then putting it into the crease. A little bit. I'm like, how much is a little bit, bitch? Help me. Jackie girl. Wait, I don't have glitter glue primer. I feel like this color is too light. I feel like this color is too light. Wait, but there's this one. Oh, it's this one. Okay. I didn't see that one. Girl, I got no glasses on. It's this one. See, this is like a perfect... Okay. So it's like this color perfectly. I think it's like the perfect color. Okay, anywho. So she put glitter, whatever, glitter primer on top of the lid color. I mean, I got it. Let me get some setting spray. I don't know. Maybe it'll give it more life. Because right now this color looks dead. It doesn't look very vibrant at all. Wow. 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 Setting spray makes a friggin' difference. Like, look at that. Look at that. Setting spray makes a huge difference. Wow. Wow.
Such a freaking stunning color. If you see my blending brush, I'm blending a little bit of that purple into my crease.
Oh wow. Okay, so we're gonna blend those two colors together. I'm gonna use this pretty fluffy burning brush. I already put some of that purple. Oh wow. Oh wow. Is that how you do it? Is that it? I feel like I did some on my own because she just said blend it. Yeah, I took some of the purple and I blended it right to my crease. My battery's halfway like done, so we need to hurry up. Almost done, I guess. Okay, I need a pencil brush. I can't find my pencil brush. I'm using angled brush because I'm like running out of time. I'm gonna use the 88 matte eyeshadow color palette by Beatz Cosmetics, and this is like, yeah, this color looks pretty similar to what she just used. So I'm gonna be using it. She just puts a dab into this part. She puts a dab of it in here. That's all she did, and then she blends it. So I'm gonna get the other. Oh shoot, get the purple. I didn't even do this. I didn't even do this first. Okay, so she gets the pink. And she puts it up here. She surrounds it, I guess, whatever. She's had a hint. This is more than a hint. Blow off the excess. I'm gonna mix these two because I don't know. Oh yeah, if I mix the two, it looks perfect. It looks like the same color. Okay, I'm gonna blow the excess off. I don't know if I did this right. Fuck it. I ain't got no purple liner. So what we finna do is we finna get this, and I'm gonna get this. I think, cause I don't got no other color that looks like that. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna use this Fenty Beauties. I'm gonna use only one, Mean Money. Goodness, I only have one highlighter that kind of looks like that. I'm gonna get more. I need an O for highlighter. Come on, guys. Come on, highlighter. Come through. Where else does she highlight?
Taking away from the eyes today. And I wanted to test out if the Cover FX drops can be used as highlight. I feel like that may be overdoing it a little bit.
Yes.
Glitter.
But yeah.
First, let's hit the center of that forehead. Let's just
yes, the
center.
center.
To the largest part of my face. Why not? Why not? Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit of the.
I don't have this.
And the highlight.
Why did I do this?
What to expect, to be honest.
Okay, so she's gonna use like a plummy lip gloss. I have like a plummy matte lip thingy, whatever, from ColourPop Tuli. It's like the same color, but it's just a different texture. To be honest, I'm not gonna line my lips. She lined her lips with like something that was like near that color, and I don't even have that kind of color. I don't even have a brown lip liner, so. Oh no, this does not look cute. What is Jackie doing? This is not cute. What? I don't like it. I'm definitely about to put on some lip gloss on my lips because this looks too matte and it looks weird. Like, I feel like I look like somebody's grandma. Like, this does look really the 80s, like she said. Like, this is just a little too much. I feel like I'm in a Whitney Houston's How Will I Know video or something because this is a little too much for me. How will I know? But yeah, I'm definitely, I don't know where this lip gloss is. It's from Avon, that's what I know, and it's a really old lip gloss. I probably shouldn't be using it right now. I just want to get the same effect. Oh shoot! That she has. Big hair, bold lip. It's kind of bold, kind of a bold lip, a big hair. These eyes are doing too much. I thought I would like it. I almost do. I do like the eyes though. Let me not. I like the eyes. I like the eyes a lot. But I think it's the lip that throws everything off, honestly. And what? I got some lashes from Wish.com. Got 5 for $1. She didn't even really show what her lashes looked like. She just put them on. She was just like, oh, I'm gonna get some Eureka lashes. And then next frame you see her doing like with her lashes on. I use this, not bronzer, contour palette to set my contour. And that was it. Like, honestly, I don't know if I did a good job. I could tell if I did a decent job. I think I did a decent job with the eyes. But now when I'm looking at her, it kind of looks like she did a halo eye with her eyes. But she didn't do the same process as a halo eye. But it kind of looks like it. I feel like she put more of the glitter, like, right, like, in the center. But she said to put it all over the lid. I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know what she... And I'm confused. Whatever. See this hair? I put this hair to the side like she did. And it's actually covering where I did not really blend that much over here. I don't know if there's anywhere else that it didn't blend, but there probably is somewhere else that didn't blend too much. I'm surprised she didn't wear blush. But yeah, this was a really extra. This was extra. This is a lot. But I hope that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. This was a lot. What, Jackie? What? What? I don't like it. Oh, I'm gonna take this off. I can really take this off. So juices.